Hello students, good morning. As in the previous lecture, we solved the exercise 2.4 up to question number 3. Today we will discuss the question number 4 and 5. Okay. The question number 4 is factorize. Factorize. It has 4 parts. The first part is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. The second part is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. And third part is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. And the fourth part is 3x square minus 3x minus 4. Okay? Once take the question, 12x square minus 7x plus 1, 2x square plus 7x plus 3, 6x square plus 5x minus 6, and 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay? From the question we see that all the 4 parts are quadratic polynomials. All the 4 parts of this question is quadratic polynomials. Now, we use for the factorize of these polynomials the method of splitting the middle terms in 2 parts. Splitting the middle terms in 2 parts. Okay? Now, we solve the first part. First part. 12 square minus 7 plus 1. Compare with the standard quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. We find here a equal to 12, b equal to minus 7, c equal to 1. Now we find ac. ac equal to 12 into 1 equal to 12. Now we have to find two numbers whose product is 12. And because the constant has positive sign, hence their sum will be equal to the value of b. Once again, now we have to find two numbers whose product is 12 and their sum will be equal to the b, means minus 7. Okay? As we know that the product is 12 a positive numbers. Hence, when we take two negative numbers, then the product will be positive. Now, we factorize 12 to get this here. We see that 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and 3 1 are 3. If we group 2 2 are 4, 3 are 12, means 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Now, so we can write it minus 4 into minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 3. So minus into minus plus. Now, we can write 7 as a sum of minus 4 and minus 3. Hence, we write 12x square minus, because the variable is x, hence we write here minus 4x minus 3x and plus 1. Now we use the factorizing by grouping. We find here there are 4 terms, and we see that there is no common factors in all the terms. Hence we take 2 terms together which have some common factor. हम यहाँ क्या देखेंगे? इन all the 4 में कुछ कॉमन है नहीं, हम क्या करेंगे? हम दोनों टर्म को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. हम फर्स्ट 2 टर्म और सेकंड 2 टर्म को सिलेक्ट करते हैं. We see that here 12 and here 4, and both have common factor 4. 4 3 are 12, 4 1 are 4. First of all, write 4. Okay. After that, we see that here the variable has 2 power, here 1. It has common 1. Now, we divide 12x square by 4x. 4 3 12 and power 1 less means 3x. We write here 3x and we divide 4x by 4x. 4 1 is 4. We write here 1. Here will be the same thing in the bracket as here. We see that here 3x is positive but here negative. Here 1 is negative. Here 1 is positive. Hence we take common here minus 1. When we take common minus 1, then it becomes positive and it becomes negative. Now we see that these two are same. Hence we take it common. 3x minus 1. And here new 4x. And here left 1. 4x minus 1. This is a factor of our quadratic polynomial. 12x square minus 4x. Sorry, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay? We factorize this polynomial and the factors 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 2. Okay. We can write this in the another method. See that if we leave the sign of this, means a equal to 12, b equal to coefficient 7 and c equal to 1, then what will happen? AC equal to 12, we find factors 4 and 3. Here we write 4 and 3. Now we write as, when we multiply 4 and 3, then we get 12, and when we add 4 and 3, we get 7. The method of writing will be 4x square here. Which sign is present? We put that minus in bracket. 4 plus 3. Out of bracket x plus 1. Now we multiply minus sign in this bracket. Then we can write 4x square minus 4 into x plus into minus 3 into x plus 1. Now this is similar as we have solved. We take here 4x common, it will be 3x minus 1, and minus 1 common, 3x minus 1. Okay? So 3x minus 1 and 4x minus. This will be factor of 12x square minus 7x plus. You can solve by both way as you wish. Okay? Now we fix again. Here we compare x square plus bx plus c. A equal to 2, b equal to 7, c equal to 3. You get AC equal to 2 into 3, which is 6. Okay? Now we find factor of 6 because the constant term has positive signs. Hence, the sum of the factors of 6, which will give product 6, will be equal to the middle term, same. Okay? Here we take it, we can write it 6 into 1. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. We write here as 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Now, here 2x will be common. 2x x plus 3 plus 1 x plus 3. As well as 1 is the common factor of all the numbers and variables. Okay? Hence, x plus 3 is common and it will remain here 2x and here 1. 2x plus 1. This is the factor of this quadratic polynomial. Okay? Now, we see the third part. The third part is here. Compare with x square plus bx plus c. A equal to 6, b equal to 5, and c equal to 6. Okay? Here the constant term has negative signs. Hence, AC equal to 6 into 6 means 36. We have to find our two factors, two numbers whose product is 36 and their difference is 5. Okay? Now factorize 36. 2 18. Here 9. 3 is 3 is. Now we do 3 is 9, 2 is 4. 9 minus 4 equal to 5. Okay. Now here we write, and if you take the symbols also with the quotient, then it will be minus 6. So minus 6 into 6 minus 36, and we know that when one positive and another negative number is multiplied, then the product will be negative. Hence, the factors will be as here, because the difference is positive. Hence, 9 into minus 4. Okay? Now, we write as 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Okay. We see that 3 plus 6, 69. Hence, we take 3 common. X power 2, x power 1. We take x power 1 here. 2x plus 3. As here 2x plus 3, the after common this will be also 2x plus 3. Hence, first of all, we take negative sign common. Okay? Now, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6. We take common 2. 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 is common. Hence, we write 2x plus 3. Here remains 3x. And here remains minus 2. This is the factor of 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay? Now, we solve the fourth part of this polynomial. The fourth part of this polynomial is 3x square minus 4. Okay? Compare with standard x square plus bx plus c. A equal to 3, b equal to 1, c equal to 4. We find AC, which is 4 into 3. Okay? Which is 12. And if we subtract 3 from 4, then we get 1. We write it as 3x square minus 4x. But if we take the sign, then what will be? Here 3, here b will be minus 1 and c will be minus 4. Then 3 into minus 4 will be minus 12. Okay? And their difference is negative. Hence, we take the greater sign minus 4 and the smaller one plus, which is written here. 6 square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Where if we take sign also with these coefficients, then a will be 3, b will be minus 1 and c will be minus 4. If we take the product, then it will be minus 4 into 3 minus 12. And if we add minus 4 plus 3, then we get minus 1. Okay? Now, here we take the commons. The common is x. This will be 3x minus 4. And here we take the common 1. 3x minus 4. Okay? Now, we see that 3x minus 4 here. X plus 1. This is the 3x square minus 6 minus 4. This is the factor of this quadratic polynomial. Okay? Now we solve the question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is factorize. Is factorize. The first part is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay? This is a cubic polynomial. This is the cubic polynomial. Okay? It is of order 3, means this is have the degree 3, means it has 3 solutions, means 3 roots, means 3 factors. इसकी डिग्री कितना है? 3 है. अगर डिग्री 3 है, इसके नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कितने होंगे? 3 होंगे. means it will have 3 factors. Okay. As we solve the quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle terms in 2 parts, it cannot be solved. So first of all, as we see that the leading coefficient is 1. So we can apply this, in this case, the integral root theorem. We can apply here the integral root theorem. Okay. Now we see all the possible factors of the constant term. 2 factors of constant term 2 equal to plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Okay. As the integral root theorem states that among of these factors will be the factor of this polynomial. If we put 1 or minus 1, 2 or minus 2 and the value of this polynomial becomes 0, then that will be 0 of this polynomial, and hence we get the factors of the cubic polynomials. First of all, we put x equal to 1. X equal to 1. Okay. Now take P1 equal to 1 power 3 minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So P1 equal to 1 into 1, 1 square 1, 2 1 are 2, minus 1 plus 3. So P1 equal to, we see that minus 2 minus 2 minus 3. 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3. So P1 equal to 0. Okay. The Gauss-Seidel theorem, if P1 is 0, hence x minus 1 is a factor. Okay. X minus 1 is a factor of Px. Now we find second. We put x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1. Put here. Then it will be P minus 1 equal to P minus 1 equal to minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 1 square here will be 1 into minus 2 means minus 2. And after that, with minus 1 into minus 1 means plus 1, and here plus 1. Okay. Now we see that here is plus 2. Okay. Plus 2. Now because it is x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 plus 2, sorry. So minus 1 cube minus 2 minus 1 square minus 1 to minus 1 plus 2 constant plus 2. Okay. Now we see that minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 2 plus 1 3 means 0. P minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Hence x plus 1 is a factor. Okay. X plus 1 is a factor of Px. Because when x equal to minus 1, when we transposition it, when we transpose it here, then it will be x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor of Px. Now we check x equal to 2. Now we check x equal to 2. Okay. X equal to 2. So P2 equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 2 plus 2. We see that 2 cube to 4 to 8, 2 to 4 to the 8 minus 2 plus 2. We see that 8 plus 2 10. 8 plus 2 minus 10. Minus 10. This is cancelled out. P2 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to x equal to 2 gets the value of 0, hence x equal to 2, x minus 2 is a factor of px. In this way, we find the required factors of this cubic polynomial, because the degree of this polynomial is 3 and we have get the 3 factors, namely x plus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, you can check minus 2. If 2 is not satisfied, then we check in the system of minus 2. Okay, but our required 3 factors have been found, hence we left the other. We can write the polynomial as here x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to k. X plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2. We choose a value of x and kept in both sides. We select here x equal to 0. Now 0 cube minus 2 to 0 square minus 0 plus 2 equal to k. 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1, and here 0 minus 2. 0, 0, 0, 0. Here 2 equal to k. 1 into minus 1 into minus 2. So 2 equal to 2 1, minus 1 into minus plus 2 1 are 2, 1 are 2 means 2. Here k equal to 1. Now we can write x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to, in place of k is 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 2. This is the required factors of the cubic polynomial. Clear? तो ये क्या रहा आपका इस तरह से इस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर. नाउ वी कैन अप्लाई टू सॉल्व दिस क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल बाय अनदर मेथड. वी सी दैट first of all we factorize it, the constant term. Factor of constant term equal to here plus minus 1 plus minus 2. First of all we find one factor of this polynomial by hit and trial method. By hit and trial method. Trial method. Okay, we choose any one values such that putting which in this polynomial it becomes 0. Okay, so we take here 1. P1 equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. Okay, now 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. We see that 3 minus 3 equal to 0 means P1 equal to 0. We put here x equal to 1, hence x minus 1. Hence x minus, because P1 equal to 0, hence x minus 1 is a factor of Px. Okay. As we know that when any polynomial divided by its factors, then remainder will be 0. Now we can write as here x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to x minus 1 into qx plus 0. Okay, because when any polynomial is divided by its factor, then remainder will be 0. Now, Qx equal to x cube minus x square minus x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Now, we divide x cube minus x square minus x plus 2 divide by x minus 2. Here, x square multiply this x cube minus x square minus plus here minus x square plus x square means minus x square minus x plus 2. Now we take here minus x as minus x square plus x. Okay, here we find that plus minus 2x plus 2. Now here we get minus 2. Okay, now minus 2x plus 2 minus plus minus cancel out, remainder 0. Now we can write it as x cube minus x square minus x plus 2 equal to x minus 1 and x square minus x minus 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. We can factorize this polynomial as here x minus 1 x square 2 1 are 2 2 plus 1 means minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. This is equal minus 2x plus x minus 2. Okay, now x minus 1 x common x minus 2 plus 1 common x minus 2 x minus 1 common x minus 2 and here x plus 1. Now we can write x minus 1 x plus 1 and x minus 2, which is our required factors for this polynomial. X cube minus x square minus x plus 2. Okay, in this way you can apply any one method to find out the factors of a cubic polynomial or the higher degree of polynomials. Okay, now the remaining questions you will try. If you will not be able to solve, then the remaining parts I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.